Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add a file link in Google Docs to another file. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To add a file link to another file, I am going to create a link, click on File tab and then click on Share. Click on share to others. Here general access, under general access you can select viewer, commenter or editor. I am selecting viewer and now click on copy link. Link is copied. Now click on done. Now I am going to another Google Doc. Here I want to link the another document here. Just select the text where you want to set the link and then click on the insert link tab. Just paste the link here and now click on apply. Look, the link is added in my selected text. If I click on the link text, it will show the document preview, and now click on the preview and it will open the document. This is the easiest way to add a Google Doc file hyperlink to another Google Doc file. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.